Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Chaturanga Dandasana. Now usually when we announce that we're doing Chaturanga Dandasana in class, we get one of two reactions, excitement or cringing. I'm going to show a variation with a belt that allows you to feel a sensation of floating in your Chaturanga Dandasana. How nice does that sound? So let's start with a belt. Short belt if you have, long belt also works. And you do have a loop in your belt so that when you place it above the elbows start to come about a little bit wider than shoulder width apart for you. You may need to adjust this once you're in, but try that for now. Then you're going to go into your downward facing dog pose, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Curling the toes under, and you can fan your fingers, spread your palms, and then start to lift the hips up and push back into your heels. From there, we're going to come into high plank. Okay, then we press the thighs up, move the tailbone in, start to come forward slightly so you're on your toe tips, then start to bend the elbows straight back, and you can feel how the strap is hitting you near the bottom ribs and just allowing you to float here. Then again, press the thighs up, move the tailbone in, and you can start to look forward. Also check that the elbows, you can move yourself here, you can check that the elbows are over top of the wrists. And then to release, bend the knees, and come on up. Hope you enjoy the floating sensation. Happy practicing, and namaste.